can drink the ocean and it still won't be enough to make my skin look glowy. On today's episode of Finding Things I'm Doing Wrong, I've been chugging these, trying to figure out why my skin looks so tired. Turns out I may have damaged my skin barrier, which what I found out means all this water is not going to show up on my face. I have to seal it in and not just sip it. My compromised barrier, what's it called? Hold up. I'll look it up. I have a compromised skin barrier, so it leads to transepidermal water loss. Basically, hydration escapes before it can do its job. And now you know from my mishaps.